A very good day to Ms. Kamsha. I'm Nelson. I'm going to present about health risk assessment of heavy metals in soils from Witwatersrand Gold Mining Basin, South Africa by Kamunda et al. 2016. So basically this paper is actually about the health risk assessment, which is consisted of two parts. The first one is the non-carcinogenic assessment, which is indicated by hazard index value, and the second one is lifetime cancer risk assessment or carcinogenic assessment. So introduction. Nowadays, we all know that anthropogenic activities such as mining have resulted in elevating the level of heavy metal contaminants in the environment, causing heavy metal accumulation that leads to threatening our human food chain. So methodology, the study area is actually a gold mining area, 70 km from Johannesburg in the province of South Africa. Sampling and sample preparation. 56 soil samples from 5 mine tailing and 17 from 2 mine village is collected with steel auger at depth of 5 meters. Sample soil analysis. Sample are actually analyzed with ICP-MS, and the soil sample was first digested in a multi-wave 3000 microwave system with a series of digestion method took place. So for the health risk assessment, as I said just now, we have two parts. The first one is carcinogenic and the second one is non-carcinogenic. But before calculating the indicator, we need to first calculate the ADI or average daily intake of heavy metal. This ADI have three equations which represent soil exposure, inhalation, and dermal exposure. And using these parameters as shown as in the table below, we can calculate the ADI. Okay, next is the hazard quotient that indicates the non-carcinogenic and LCR that indicated the carcinogenic effect. So these are their calculation. So result and discussion. Based on our finding, the average concentration of heavy metal in this gold mining area is as shown as below. The highest one is CR, followed by nickel. CR and nickel actually had exceed the maximal allowable limits for South Africa and from other countries. Next, so this figure shows hazard quotient or non-carcinogenic effect. If the HQ and H are exceeding 1, this actually shows there is an obvious risk to the population. As you can see, adults actually recorded 2.13, while children, which is 20 times higher, 43.80, shows a serious non-carcinogenic risk. For the carcinogenic risk, we can see on this figure, we can see that LDAT actually found to be susceptible for about 1 in 5,882 individuals, while in children, only 1 in 2,725 individuals for children, showing that children have higher risk of getting a cancer. So in conclusion, we can see that CR is 43 times higher than the standard and arsenic 14 times greater and nickel 1.2 times greater. And also, dermal pathway was the greatest contributor to the non-carcinogenic risk, followed by ingestion pathway, but ingestion pathway is actually the one that contribute highest in the cancer risk. And below shows the reference. So that's all for me. Thank you very much. Good day and take care.